Yep.
Alright.
Let's roll.
Seldom get realized. For me you were a part of life that escaped and left me outside. Who could see the will of time, and that you were still a friend of mine. Our story wasn't over yet, and no one can tell what's coming next. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control. I'm glad that it is so. I'm lucky it is so.
Hey, you got something flopping on the passenger side by the window, it looks like. Roy. Call Roy. Roy. Roy.
Is not available.
Insert beeps.
You got something flapping on the passenger side. Looks like it might be from... Something is on the passenger side. Possibly the awning arm thing bracket is flapping. I've been trying to reach you via the walkie-talkie.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it.
Okay. Alrighty. I don't know, but your walkie-talkie ain't responding. Alright. Bye.
When still things seem to come around. The journey is not ours to control. 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 I'm glad that it is so. I'm lucky it is so. I'm glad that it is so. I'm lucky it is so.
Batteries are dead on the radio.
Yours is?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll get your phone off of the Wi-Fi. The other phone. It wouldn't even let me call to you.
What other phone?
The phone you're probably using to navigate with.
I'm not navigating to anything.
Alright, well the other phone ain't working if you're playing music.
I'm not doing anything with it.
Alright.
This Gallagher's?
Yeah.
The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control. I'm glad that it is so.
more beeps.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, got it.
Alright, I'm following. Wherever you go, I go.
You better get it going, get going tonight. Don't wanna miss it like I did every time. I'm straight to the bucket list. You need to get all the things done. There's no time for sleep. Get away, fulfill our dreams today. We all need to go, 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 go. Live each day. Don't worry, we'll be okay. We all need to go, go, yeah, go, go. No need to stop, move ahead and get going today. Don't wanna miss a thing at all. Straight to the bucket list. You need to get all the things done. There is no time for sleep. Get away, fulfill our dreams today. We all need to go, 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 go. Live each day. Don't worry, we'll be okay. We all need to go, go, yeah, go, Live your dreams and skip the end. People want it and should not pretend. You live your dreams and skip the end. Just go. So just go away, fulfill our dreams today. We all need to go, 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 go. Live each day. Don't worry, we'll be okay. We all need to go, go, yeah, go, go.
Shut itself off. Okay, Roy, we cannot park here. What the hell's going on?
Well, it quit right there, but if I can get in that park.
Alright. Alright. Come on, honey. Stay. Shush.
One is right there.
Well, it might be better because if I have to in the morning, I can swing around better and get to you.
Well, you could go over there too.
Alright, well, we're fine.
I suppose. I think I ran out of gas right here and flipped to the other tank.
Which tank was you running on?
Right.
Oh, it did run on it though?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm tucked in right. Okay. Whoa, big boy coming to that side.
Well, let him get parked. I guess we're right here.
Alright. Oh, that scared the moosey. No, can't have daddy yet. Yeah, that didn't seem like a very long trip on it.
No, it just started sputtering when I turned around when I turned around.